Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BSM Art, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, I have an unboxing from the brand Emporio Armani. So here is the box. Let's take off the cover. As you can see, there is a little Lotte Department Store card. I bought it from Lotte Department Store, which is located in Ansan. So let's have a check. There is the amount, 727,000 Korean won. That means I spent around $600 in this vase, including this genuine leather strap. Leave it aside. And this is the instructions and warranty book, as you can see. So leave it aside. Then you can see the beautiful crown of Emporio Armani with this lovely box. So let's take off from this box. This is nice and beautiful box. So I'm ready. Let's open it. Ooh, let's open it. Are you ready? So here is the vase. This is awesome, man. Nice design. You can see it's look like luxurious and so classic. So how was it, guys? Did you like it? This is pretty much nice, and wow, it feels so good in my hand. I'm really excited to wear this vase. So this is really nice vase. Let's have a look in backside. also adjust in this leather strap. Let's jump into 210 page. So this is the model number and date, and as you can see the big stamp of 롯데백화점 store, including contact number. So let's take another. Actually, I'm from Nepal, so I need to know the service centers of Nepal and South Korea. So let's go to find it. As you can see, we found Nepal Service Center, which is located in Bisal Bazar, New Road, Kathmandu. Then let's find out another one, which is South Korea. As you can see here, it is, which is located in Seoul. That's it. I need to know more about this book. Alright, let's take this one off. This is from Michael Kors, and let's try this one. This is really nice. I know 600 is little bit expensive for me, but I'm pretty much happy. So thank you for guys watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a great time.